Contracts are an essential aspect inside any business as they will help you avoid unwanted situations but also build clear relationships. On Steams Online, we have created a contract management feature. This will allow you to create unlimited and entirely customizable contracts so you can send them to your clients in a very simple way. A contract template is the document you will be sending to your client. As a template, it will include all the static information about your business such as logo, name, address, and also all the legal verbiage you decided to include once creating it. As an example, I decided to create this contract template. You can see the logo, the name of the institution, its address, but also the legal verbiage. Note that all this information is entirely customizable. To create a contract template, the first thing you want to do is go to the left side of your screen and click on System Settings. Expand the menu and then click on Contract Management. The system will take you to your contract templates page. Here, you will be able to see all your previously created contract templates. As an example, you can see that I have 2 of them. However, if you haven't created any, this list will be empty. Inside this section, you will be able to edit, preview, and delete the contracts. However, if you want to create a new one, you just have to click on the Add Contract button. Inside the Add Contract template, you will be allowed to create your contract. What you want to do is follow the steps from the image on your right and fill the boxes and blank spaces appropriately. All sections are entirely customizable, and you're the one who decides what's in and what's not. You will also be able to add your own legal verbiage. If you cannot access to your Steams Online platform from your computer or your laptop, what you can do is access from your phone. A Steams Online platform has responsive design mode. As an example, I'm going to convert my screen into responsive design mode so you can see how it looks like inside a phone. So basically, here you have the same Add Contract template with the same boxes in the same form that you can entirely customize, but with the only difference that the guide image that will let you know the steps to follow won't be on your right side but below. If you want to see it properly, you can always click on it and the system will automatically download a PDF file for you. Back inside our normal view, the last step of our contract creation process is to select our signature. What you want to do here is click on Select and pick the signature of your choice, the one you want to appear in the contract. However, if you don't have any inside your signature library, I'm going to show you how to do it. If you want to add a new signature into your library, the first thing you want to make sure of is going back into your Steams Online dashboard. There, you're going to click on System Settings and then on Contract Management. The system will get you to the Contract Templates page, where you will click on Signature tab. In there, you will be able to see the available signatures, the one you've previously created. As you can see, in this example, I only have one. But if you haven't created any, this list will be empty. In this section, you can also edit your signatures and delete them. But you can also create new ones. In order to do that, you just have to click on the New Signature button. Steams Online will provide you with 2 options to get your signatures inside your library. The first one is uploading an image of your signature from your location, and the other one is creating a signature in a white canvas. This one is an electronic signature. I'm going to show you how to do both. So, in the first case, what we're going to do is choose the file, select our signature, and upload it. We're going to click upload, but before that, make sure to follow the instruction of the dimensions. Once you have that set up, you're going to click on the upload button and you will find that your file has been successfully uploaded. The system will automatically direct you into your library where you can see your new signature. If you don't have any signature image to upload, you can opt for the second choice, which is the electronic signature. What you want to do here is click on the new signature button and go into the second option. Here, the system will provide you a blank canvas to fill in. As an example, I'm going to put my signature. One cool thing about this option is that it will provide you with the right dimensions in an automatic way. If you don't feel happy with this signature, you can click on clear and start again. Once you're content, you can click on upload and go back into your signature list where you will see the old one and the two most recent ones. The one I uploaded and the one I created electronically. Coming back inside the Add Contract template page where we were creating our contract, what we're going to do next is to scroll down into selecting our signature. Here, you want to click on Select and pick the signature of your choice. In this case, I'm going to select the third one. Now, we're going to click on the green Add button. The system will let us know that the contract template has been added successfully. Before sending your contract to your students or clients, make sure to preview it. This way, you will know how it looks like. If we go back into our template list, you will find that there's the new contract. As I mentioned before, here you can edit it, preview it, or delete it. Steams Online wants you to manage your contract in a really simple yet effective way. It brings you the option of sending one contract to multiple students or only one. What you have to do here is click on Students icon. The system will direct you into the students list where you will find the student you want to send the contract to. Once you click on it, you're gonna get into the student's profile, where you will click on the Contracts tab. Inside the student's contract page, you will see that there's an assigned contracts table and another column that has all the information you want to add inside the contract. This information is specific for the student. The signed contracts table will let you know the date of the contract and the contract ID. It will also provide you with the options to send it. In order to send your contracts to your students, the first thing you want to do is add a contract date. For this example, I'm going to choose the 12th of May. Now, we will select the template. Here, you will see all the options from your template library. In this specific example, I will choose the enrollment contract. Now, we will choose the paid by module. This means the days your student has to pay. I will put 6 days. Now, we will choose the class you want to appear inside the contract. Then we're going to click on the green Add button. Once your contract is added, the system will let you know about it. In the signed contract table, you will find the new contract with its date, its ID, and the different ways to send it to your clients or students. You can email it, download it as a PDF, or print it. You can also delete it. It's important for you to know that if you send the contract by email, your students will be able to sign it digitally. It is also advisable that before sending your contracts, you get to preview it to see if your content with the final result. This is an example of a finalized contract. Here, you will be able to see the specific student's information, but also the one you added when creating the templates, such as your business name, your business address, and the legal verbiage. Remember that these contracts are totally customizable, and therefore the look and feel and the information inside them will depend on what you decide. Hope this tutorial was useful for you, and thank you for watching.